Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless shop vacs available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tackling wet spills, dry debris, or heavy-duty cleanup jobs, these vacuums have got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Reliarode's 20V cordless vacuum cleaner. This shop vac stands out with its compatibility with DeWALT 20V max batteries, making it a convenient option for users who already own DeWALT tools. With a sizable 2.6-gallon capacity and a high airflow of 45 CFM, it offers strong suction power to handle tough wet spills and dry debris. The included accessory kit, featuring tools like a crevice tool and sofa brush, adds versatility for tackling different cleaning scenarios. Design-wise, the Reliarode's vacuum is lightweight at only 6.6 pounds and features a convenient carry handle for portability. The 6.56-foot flexible hose provides ample reach and flexibility during use, while the washable filter ensures easy maintenance. Additionally, the vacuum features a blowing function, perfect for clearing dust from tight spaces. Despite its impressive features, it may not be the best option for those seeking maximum suction power, as its performance ratings fall slightly behind higher-ranked models. Overall, the Reliarode's shop vac is a great choice for homeowners or workshop users who value compatibility with DeWALT systems and need a portable, versatile vacuum for light to medium cleaning tasks. However, its lack of included batteries and slightly lower suction power compared to higher-ranked models may be limiting. Pros include its lightweight design, compatibility, and accessory kit, while cons are its lower suction capacity and runtime. Coming in at number 4 is the Craftsman V20 cordless vacuum cleaner. As the budget option in this lineup, it offers a solid mix of features at an affordable price of just $95.20. With a portable 2-gallon tank and a powerful motor delivering 35 CFM of suction power, this vacuum is ideal for both wet and dry debris cleanup. Its HEPA-rated filter traps 99.7% of dust and allergens, making it a good choice for users concerned about air quality. The design is practical, featuring a 7.8-foot hose for extended reach, along with onboard storage for accessories to prevent misplacement. At 9.25 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but still portable enough for easy transport between workspaces. However, its runtime and suction power don't quite match premium models, and the battery and charger are sold separately, which may increase the overall cost. This vacuum is perfect for budget-conscious users who need a reliable tool for lighter cleanup tasks at home or in the garage. Its pros include affordability, extended hose reach, and onboard storage, while cons are the slightly heavier build and additional cost for the battery and charger. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee 088020 18V cordless wet-dry vacuum. Known for its durability and performance, this shop vac features a high-performance motor that delivers powerful suction for both wet and dry applications. Its stackable design and onboard storage for accessories make it easy to transport and store, ensuring convenience for users who frequently move between job sites. The vacuum includes a certified HEPA filter, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and flexible hose, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. While the runtime is limited to around 11 minutes, its suction power and performance are top-notch, handling stubborn debris with ease. At 10.1 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models in this list, but its robust design makes it a reliable choice for heavy-duty use. This Milwaukee shop vac is best suited for professionals or dedicated DIYers who prioritize durability and performance over runtime. Pros include its powerful suction, high-quality build, and versatile accessory kit, while cons are its limited runtime and slightly heavier weight. Taking the second spot is the DeWALT DCV580H 20-volt max cordless wet-dry vacuum. This vacuum combines portability, performance, and durability, making it a favorite among professionals. Powered by a 20-volt max battery, it offers cordless convenience, while its 2-gallon tank capacity is enough for small to medium cleanup tasks. The HEPA-rated filter traps dust at 0.3 microns, ensuring superior air quality during operation. Design-wise, the DCV580H features a crush-resistant 5-foot hose and onboard storage for accessories, making it easy to transport and operate. At 8 pounds, it's lightweight and compact, ideal for job sites and home use alike. However, with a runtime of 25 minutes, it may not be the best choice for extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, the battery and charger are sold separately. This vacuum is an excellent pick for users who value portability, air quality, and reliability. Pros include its HEPA filter, compact design, and cordless operation, while cons are its limited runtime and additional cost for the battery and charger. Finally, at number 1, we have the DeWALT DCV581H Shop Vacuum Wet and Dry. This premium model offers the ultimate versatility with its cordless and corded power options, allowing you to switch between modes depending on your needs. Its 2-gallon tank capacity is sufficient for most cleanup tasks, from wet spills to dry debris. The HEPA-rated filter ensures exceptional dust and allergen filtration, making it ideal for use in sensitive environments. The DCV581H is well-built with a crush-resistant 5-foot hose and onboard storage, making it both durable and easy to transport. At just 1 pound, it's incredibly lightweight, although its dimensions make it slightly bulkier than other models. With a noise level of 80 dB, it's quieter than many competitors, adding to its appeal for indoor use. While the runtime is dependent on the battery used, its performance and suction power are excellent, handling tough cleaning tasks with ease. This DeWALT shop vac is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who want the flexibility of corded and cordless operation, along with superior filtration capabilities. Pros include its dual power modes, HEPA filter, and durable design, while cons are its higher price and the need to purchase batteries separately. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.